This is a video lesson that's taken out of the online cupboard and kitchen design workshop from module 13 lesson 1, the cupboard design template exercise. Some of the parts have been fast forwarded, but you can get the idea of what it's about. Okay, so let's see what's going to fit in here. So the client wants, this is a bedroom cupboard, they want as much storage as possible, and so let's make the cupboards altogether 2,600 millimeters, and then we've got that level. It's really a small plinth, but it's fine. Maximum storage. On this side there will be a cover panel, so we put in our 16 millimeter, and on this side as well a dummy cover. You don't want your doors to be wider than say 600. That's already on the limit. Okay, now we can do the finishes. So when you do a full panel on the side here, you also want to order that a bit extra length, and you can trim it on site as you would just do a plinth. And sometimes when your cupboard is too large and it's more than 2.7 meters, which is the length of the board. The board is 2750, but they trim it, so you can work with 2.7. If it's more than that, then you need to join it here, and then you can strategically join it on a spot where it would look better. For instance, in the middle of these doors.